So this is Honda Civic 2019, and I want to show you where the front radar is located. So when you come to the front, it's located at the driver's side front. So this is where it's located. So you need to remove this cover. This is a rubber cover, so you need to remove this cover. So let's remove it. So this is the radar. It's the radar sensor. So in case you want to remove it, just pop it out like this. This is how it looks. As you can see. So this is how to fix it to this where you can fix it. That's it. So these are the lockers here. So you need to fix it inside this hole like this. So these 3 holes. So the 2 lockers is at the top and the one is down. This one is down. So just put it like this. You push. Then you are good to go. Just like this. And you fix the cover. And make sure the cover is how it's fixed. Make sure here this place goes first. Like this. And you place it like this. So please, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe. So next time I will show you how to calibrate the sensor. Whenever you replace the sensor and you want to aim the sensor, I'll show you how to do that video too. Thank you for watching.